Hi and Assalamualaikum to Sir Kamal. My name is Muhammad Lumar bin Agil and I will be the first presenter of my group. So, these are the first, as you can see here, these are the interface that I've done. Hotel Management System as a title, and you can select your mode here. You can even scroll down, and I've create and open a text file named guest list text inside the hotel data directory. If you choose the select mode, the first task, which is file creation and opening, and you click on the submit button, all the green all the green message will be pop up automatically. And if you didn't select anything, there's a error message. And I think that's all from the first task. I will move on to the second task. And so these are the second task, which is writing and reading file. We have write 5 guest names and their check-in date into guest list text, and also it can read and display the content line by line on the web page. As you can see here, my name on the first line and also my group mates, and fourth and fifth is my housemate name. I just add it randomly, and I think that's all from my part. For the next task, I will pass on to my group mates. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Fizuddin and now I'll be presenting about check end of file using the FEOF function to ensure the system stop reading when the end of file is reached. And now this is read file character by character. It will display the total number of characters contained in guest list. That is all for me, and now I'll pass it to Irfan.
Hi, my name is Irfan Mizal. I will continue for rename and delete a file. First, rename the file guest underscore list.txt to check underscore in underscore guest.txt. Second, delete the file after confirming it has been processed. Next, for the directory operation. In the hotel management system, open the hotel data directory and display a file name stored within. Second, rename the directory to hotel_archive and delete it after confirming it is empty. Now I will pass to Hafizuddin. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Fizuddin back again, and now I will explain about client and server side scripting. First, client side scripting. Use HTML for structure and CSS for design. The form lets user choose an operation and submit it to the server. No JavaScript is used. The browser handles from submission. Secondly, server-sided scripting. Use PHP to process user input, handles file operation and display results. PHP performs all logic such as creating, reading, writing, renaming and deleting files. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
And now for the module explanation. Number 1. Create and open file. Make guest list.txt in hotel data. Second, write and read file. Write guest name, then read them line by line. Number 3. EOF check. Read file until the end using FEOF close bracket. Number 4. Character count. Count total character using fgetc close. Number 5. Rename and delete file. Rename file then delete it. 6. Directory operation. List, rename and delete directory. For the last one, secure coding. First, use HTML special character to prevent HTML injection. Second, check file underscore exists and fopen before operation. Number 3, restricted all file action to one directory. Number 4, close all file properly with fclose. And the last one, require valid input selection before processing. That's all from us. Thank you.